snoring. He knows I'm here. Do you see the tip of his tail? He's aware. He's partially aware. That's why it's so hard to get him snoring. I know it's hard with the fan.